This is Dr. N. Venkatachalapathy, Industrial Management and Entrepreneurship. In this course, I would like to discuss about the concept of management, administration, and organization. The student should be able to understand the concept of management, administration, and organization. And another important thing is identify the differences among the definitions given by different experts in management. And coming to the introduction and concept of management, as you know that management is as old as man himself. As civilization grew, human life became more and more organized. So that is what uh, the world has started uh, with Adam and Eve, and with the help of different human being, they have changed a variety of thinking and become more and more organized. As industrialization picked up, business activity increased globally, and this is what are we in the era of Adam and Eve. And coming to this management concept, managers to do. So the term management is what the managers do, and it also refers the people at top level in the organization. That is in the sense top level people, managers, senior managers, general managers, president, vice president, etc. So the people will take the decision making. Here the decision making doing something cleverly to change the situation. So however, these statements do not clearly explain, and when we are thinking about the nature of the concept of management, we'll discuss after completion of this video. So let us see the monkey to modern man. So in the era of old civilization, Adam to Eve, that monkey man to that modern man, how the people will drastically improve with their creativity ideas, and now they are in a good person to identify the lot of skills, etc. And coming to the various definitions of management, according to Henry Fayol in 1916, he has derived the definition: to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, command, to coordinate and control. So this is small definition. To derive this small definition, that Henry Fayol, scientist, he was a great scientist. He took nearly 2 years to 5 years to define this type of definition. That means to manage is to forecast and plan, in the sense forecast in the sense predict, in traditionally predict in past what happened in the past, and how do you plan the things, and to organize, and when the command the people, how they get things from the people, and coordinate with each other, and controlling of all the resources in the organization. That is what about Henry Fayol given a beautiful definition: to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, command, to coordinate and control. And according to Peter F. Drucker in 1955, he has given the definition: management is concerned with the systematic organization of economic resources, and its task is to make these resources productive. So this is what another important definition. This Peter F. Drucker also, he was scientist, and he has done so many experiments on human being. Nearly 5 years it took to derive this definition. That is what the management is concerned with: the systematic organization of economic resources. So especially the resources in the sense the money, material, machine, and method, etc. all should task. Its task is to make these resources productive usage. So the effective utilization of all the resources. they can make this type of definition. And coming to the another definition which was given by EFL Breck 1957, management is a social process, the process consisting of planning, control, coordination, and motivation. So here, previous just by removing the control, they have added one motivation. The motivation speaks at all to motivate the people in the organization so that they can develop good social process, and the profit of the organization will be easily increased. And according to Frederick Taylor, defines the management as the art knowing what you want to do in the best and cheapest way. So he was also a great scientist. He has defined the management. Nearly he took 2 to 3 years for defining this definition as the art of knowing what you want to do in the best and cheapest way. So in traditionally he made collected some people, and he will do in organization by defining this definition. And nature and features of the management, as you know that management is a social process, so that means it refers to the series of activities that are performed in the society. That is what social process. And another thing, management is involved in decision making. So decision making in the sense when all the institution is very well run, that means it takes personal interest of that organization, and people also involved to take a decision making. So automatically the organization will profit oriented. And management is universal. So management is universal in the sense successful organizations show that management principles apply to every kind of the organization and also to every level. So hence it is a universal process. And management is an art and also a science. It is another important definition of management. An art is a personal skill or business, personal skill on business affairs, and an art is characterized by practical knowledge, creativity, and skill. Whereas science, management is also a science, and science is a knowledge of facts. It involves the basic principle which are capable of universal application like Archimedes principle, and the real principle which is the knowledge of the facts. And last, management is a profession. It is a very important. Not last but not least, management is a profession where the people will show their talents, abilities, will perform to give some fruitful experiences in the organizations. So nowadays, that is what the people we are going to be select the recruitment. They have to do some HR persons, human resource person or human resource manager will take a key role for recruiting the right candidate for the right duty for right attitude. Okay, so this is what about the concept of management. Thank you for watching this. Okay.